Hello, everyone. Warm greetings from Travel Gyan and welcome to the product presentation by Macau Government Tourism Office in India. My name is Nikita Raftani and I am a part of Team Travel Gyan. Today we have with us Mr. Arzan Khambata, India Head for Macau Government Tourism Office India, and we also have Divya, who is the Manager Trade and Operations for Macau Government Tourism Office India. I would like to now call upon Arzan, who would like to say a few words. Over to you, Arzan.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you for this platform and the opportunity. And thank you, all of you, for being here on Wednesday afternoon, uh, part of this workshop, listening to us. The message that I wanted to share with you is that while we have all waited for almost a year and a half and more for destinations to open, probably the wait is a little more with Macau. We are waiting for the borders to open, but that doesn't stop us from being with you and engaging with you on various things that we have been doing in the past as well. Please stay connected with us as much as you can, and we will do the same. We want to be in touch with you, every one of you, and stay connected with the destination. With Macau, Macau will open, I'm sure, sooner than later, and we will be very happy to have you and your guests come in when the borders open up. Thank you for this opportunity again. And my colleague Divya will take you through a short presentation about the destination, so that just to refresh your memory, I know you all know Macau, just that we wanted to ensure you don't forget about us. Yeah, thank you. Over to you, Divya.
Thank you, Arzan. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who is present over here for all your time. And we have had lovely meetings in the first half. Hope to have the same in the second half as well. Now, I'll be starting with my presentation. After that, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions on the chat box. So, experience Macau your own style. That is our tagline. Why it is our tagline, I will take you through the presentation for better understanding. But just to give you a few examples, basically, you can enjoy shopping in Macau. Macau is known as a foodie's paradise. So, you get to experience different cuisines when you're in Macau. You also get to experience mixed culture of Asia and Europe when you're in Macau. Moving on. Why Macau? So, why will you tell your clients to opt for Macau as their next travel destination? Firstly, I would like to speak about this picture, what you can see on the screen. It is a little bit of a landscape of Macau, and that is one of the iconic monument in the form of lotus shaped. It is one of the oldest hotels of Macau, Grand Lisboa Hotel. Coming back to why Macau. Your clients do not have to stress for visas at all, so much of paperwork. It is basically a short holiday destination. Secondly, the destination has got mixed culture of Asia and Europe. On left hand side, what you see is ruins of St. Paul, whereas on the right hand side, it is a monastery, a temple, and that gives you a lot of Chinese influence. So basically, the destination has got mixed culture of Asia and Europe. Macau is known for its luxury and glamour. As you can see in this picture, it is one of the famous Cotai Strip in Macau, and this is what Macau looks like at night. Trust me, it's all lit up around, it's all glamorous, and like people say, it is known for its luxury and glamour. Infrastructure wise, Macau is very well developed and forward. It is developing day by day. There are a lot of different hotels coming up in Macau. Also, it has got a great connectivity bridges, easy taxi facilities. Most of the hotels have Wi-Fi. So what all you require, it is easily available in the destination. As I mentioned earlier, it's a foodie's paradise. So you get to experience all kind of different cuisines from French, Italian, Indian, Chinese. So you think of the cuisine in the mind and it is available in the destination. Now I will tell you a bit about Macau as a destination. Well, languages spoken are Cantonese and Portuguese. However, English is widely spoken in Macau. Most of the signboards have English written on it, so language is not an issue at all when you're in Macau. Currency-wise, Macau Pataka, which is also known as MOP, is the official currency of Macau. However, Hong Kong dollars are widely accepted in Macau. And time zone-wise, Macau is 2.5 hours ahead of Indian Standard Time. Again, as you can see in this picture on the right hand side, you see is Macau Tower. It's all lit up, and on the left hand side, it's Macau fireworks image. To tell you a bit of connectivity via air, currently, because of COVID, none of the flights are operating to Macau, but I'm just giving you the stats of what it was pre-COVID. So there were about 6 Indian cities who used to fly directly to Hong Kong. And the best way is you fly in Hong Kong from cities in India, and then you take a ferry to Macau from the Hong Kong airport itself. So if you're not entering Hong Kong, you do not need a PAR. You can directly luggage tag your bag from the Indian city airport, wherever you're boarding your flight from, and directly disembark your luggage once you reach at the Macau ferry terminal. So these are the ferries that operate between Hong Kong and Macau, Cotai Waterjet and Turbojet, very comfortable ferries. It takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour of ferry ride from Hong Kong to Macau. But if your clients do not wish to take a ferry, you can also give them this as an option, which I'm going to speak now. You can tell them to fly to Bangkok through Thai Airways and then take Air Macau. Similarly, you can tell them to opt for Singapore Airlines plus Scoot Airlines. So with this, if your clients are taking this route, for them, it is known as one-stop flyaway destination for Indians. We had started promoting these kind of itineraries where we started clubbing Bangkok plus Macau and Singapore plus Macau, and we have got a great response. So once the situation is sorted, you can remove fixed departure itineraries covering these options as well. But if your clients do not wish to take a ferry also, or neither wish to fly directly to Macau, this is one of the best options for them. They can also come through road, the newly opened bridge in late 2018, which is known as Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge. It basically connects Hong Kong, Macau, and China, a 55-kilometer long, beautiful bridge. It is also known as an architectural and engineering marvel. Tickets can be easily bought either at Hong Kong bus stop or at Macau bus stop. So there are vending machine basically where you can pull out the tickets by yourself. I'll just tell you a bit about Macau. It is an easy destination to walk and explore. It's not a huge destination, so it can be easily covered on foot as well. You can cover most of the attractions on foot. Some of the main attractions are Amma Temple, ruins of St. Paul, Senado Square, Macau Tower. All of these options can be explored directly. As you can see in this picture, famous actress Fatima, she's getting clicked right in front of ruins of St. Paul, which is known as one of the most Instagrammed and photographed monuments of Macau. Some of the other attractions that you can opt, many a times we get a query from trade partners that what are the options that we can explore when in Macau. So these are the options when your clients want to opt for some magic shows or a different kind of shows. These are the options for them. The House of Dancing Water at City of Dreams Hotel. Similarly, we have the House of Magic at Studio City, 4D Batman at Studio City. So though these shows are ticketed shows, and they are about 1.5 hours, but will give your clients an amazing experience. To know more about these shows, you can go on the hotel websites, you can check the videos, you can check the ticket prices, everything is easily available. But if your clients do not wish to pay and they want to explore some free shows, these are some free shows for your clients. Tree of Prosperity, Dragon of Fortune, Performance Lake. So again, all these 3 options takes place at the Wynn Macau hotels. Also, to highlight a point about Wynn Macau Hotel, it has got a free cable car ride for your clients. So your clients can choose to enter to the hotel by experiencing a cable car ride, which is absolutely free of cost. Macau is known for its nightlife, and there are several nightclubs in the destination like Club Cubic at City of Dreams, Show House in Studio City Resort. I know many a times clients do ask us that, do you recommend any clubs where we can go and enjoy? You can definitely give them these as an option. Speaking about shopping, the famous places to shop in Macau are Sinado Square and Red Market. Sinado Square, the picture which is on the right hand side, it houses a lot of brands. For some street side local food shopping or local cuisine taste, you can also go to Red Market. To highlight a point, lot of hotels houses brands, so lot of shopping can be done at the hotel itself. Some major events which you can inform your clients to visit when in Macau, or maybe design the itineraries covering these events. One of them is Fireworks Festival. This takes place between September to October every year. However, last year it was cancelled because of the situation going around. Macau Grand Prix, that takes place in November every year. Grand Prix takes place in the city itself, and it is one of the exciting Grand Prix in the world. Speaking about Light Festival, that generally takes place in the month of December. So in December, whole of Macau is lit up in light at different venues and different places. Trust me, December is a great month to be in Macau. Not just December, but yes, Macau is a year-round destination. With that, you can also offer other major events like Dragon Boat Festival, Feast of Buddha, and Lotus Festival. Other major events which takes place in the month of December, as I mentioned, that it is the best month to be in Macau. Again, all these three events takes place in the month of December, which is Macau International Marathon, Macau International Parade, International Film Festivals and Awards Macau, which is also known as IFAM. As most of you would know that Macau hosts a lot of luxury hotels. So there are a lot of spas, jacuzzis, sauna facilities available within the hotel itself. So if your clients do not wish to go for a sightseeing day, or they just want to relax at the hotel for a day, you can definitely give them this as an option. What does Macau has to offer for family fun? So it has got the giant panda pavilion. There are two extremely cute pandas named Kai Kai and Sinsin. To see the panda pavilion, the ticket cost is Macau Pataka 10, which is under INR 100. And children below 12 years and senior citizens above 65, it is absolutely free of cost. But irrespective of the age, I would definitely recommend you all to opt this option to your clients, because these pandas are must watch. Some other fun zone activities which you can tell your clients to directly go and explore are ice skating, bowling center in Kutai, and Planet J theme park. So Grand Prix Museum, for sports and car lovers, Grand Prix Museum is the place to be. The museum with the theme of racing is not to be missed when you are opting for the next trip to Macau. Also, the museum has opened its gate for public, so that is a positive news. However, right now the borders for Indians are shut. But yes, this museum can be in your to-do list when you're planning your next trip to Macau. Some other major museums are 3D Museum, Sound Museum, Macau Museum, and Taipa House Museum. About Taipa House Museum, I would just like to highlight a point. It is basically the place where Portuguese used to reside many years back, is now converted into a museum. So it is one of the great places to explore how Portuguese used to reside in Macau many years back. Speaking about Macau Tower is a place where you can have highest commercial bungee jump in the world. But if your clients fear to experience bungee jump, you can also recommend your clients to go and enjoy skywalk. You can also tell them to go and enjoy a 360-degree revolving restaurant, which is at Macau Tower itself. So basically, they serve buffet lunches and dinners, but it has fixed menu, but sort of global cuisine. So you will get different types of varieties from Japanese, Italian, Indian, anything which you wish to opt for. And as it is a revolving restaurant, your clients again get to experience the whole of Macau. So this Macau Tower and clubbing the 360 restaurant is best for the MICE groups. We would recommend that they can spend entire half a day at Macau Tower itself. Again, one of the pictures of Fatima enjoying at Macau Tower. Speaking about gastronomy, in terms of gastronomy, what does Macau has to offer? So the official cuisine of Macau is known as Macanese cuisine, and it is one of the oldest fusion cuisines in the world. It is a combination of Portuguese as well as Chinese. And these are some must-try dishes when you're in Macau. Egg tarts, pork chop buns, African chicken. Speaking about Michelin star restaurants, it is a great place to take your loved ones, your family, your groups, at least dine once when you are in Macau, because it has got, to be precise, Macau has got 18 Michelin star restaurants. Indian food is not an issue at all when you are in and around Macau. You will find a lot of Indian restaurants like Goa Nights, Golden Peacock, Taste of India. Speaking about Golden Peacock, which is at a famous Venetian hotel, is one of the Michelin star restaurants. Best places to stay in Macau. There are a lot of integrated resorts in Macau. So City of Dream, which has got 4 chain of hotels, Countdown Hotel, which was earlier known as Hard Rock Hotel, Hotel Morpheus, Grand Hyatt, Hotel Nua, which was earlier known as Hotel Crown. Similarly, we have 5 chain of hotels for Galaxy Macau as well. To highlight a point about Banyan Tree, what you can see on the right hand side, it is one of the high-end luxurious property in Macau. It basically has private pool villas. So if your clients wish to enjoy the luxurious stay when they are in Macau, you can definitely give them Banyan Tree as an option. Some other options are MGM brand of hotels, MGM Kochai and MGM Grand. Sands Resort, which includes 6 chain of hotels, Sheraton Grand, Parisian, as you can see, it has got mini Eiffel Tower right in front of it, Hotel St. Regis, Sands Macau, Hotel Venetian. Venetian, as the name goes, gives you an experience of Venice. Your clients can experience gondola ride at the hotel itself. And Hotel Conrad. So this is again one of the pictures of Fatima enjoying at Venetian Macau. Some other places to stay are Hotel Sofitel, Wynn Palace, as I mentioned earlier. So this is a kind of a cable car ride which your clients will get to experience if they wish to enter to Wynn Macau Hotel. Studio City Ride has again got 8 Ferris wheel ride. Your clients can experience this Ferris wheel ride when they are in and around Studio City Hotel. And Grand Lisboa, which is one of the oldest hotels of Macau. But apart from this, if your clients have budget issues or if they are not willing to opt for a 5-star or 4-star, you can definitely recommend them 3-star as well. There are a lot of 3-star options which you can give them. Some of them I would name: Grand Imperial Hotel, Hotel Metropole, Hotel Rocks, Hotel Victoria. So there are n number of options. So if they have any budget issues or if they are not willing to stay in 5-star, please recommend them 3-star as an option. So the newly opened hotel in February 8th, 2021, the 2 new all-suite hotel, the Londoner and the Londoner Court, it has got 6,000 guest rooms. This project was basically led by David Beckham and it has come out very beautiful. It can be the next go-to hotel when you're planning your next trip to Macau, because this hotel you should not miss. It is one of the best hotels for MICE groups also, because you get your entire group to stay in one particular hotel. Again, about Grand Lisboa Palace. Grand Lisboa has recently opened their gates for public. It has started its operations from 30th of July. Speaking about MICE and incentive program, we have a special travel stimulation program for MICE groups, but the criteria is you need to have minimum of 2 nights stay in Macau when you're planning to opt for this travel stimulation program. So it goes this way: we have number of participants, with that we have supporting categories. So 25 to 40 is when you get tourist information kit and souvenir. Similarly, 40 to 100 you get tourist information kit, souvenirs, and half-day city tour. So in half-day city tour, we provide you 4 hours coach and 4 hours guide from our side. Similarly, we have others as well. We definitely share this presentation with all of you all. And if you have any upcoming MICE groups for next year, if you have any queries also, you can write back to us. We'll be more than happy to help you with the MICE offers. So these are some incentive benefits: souvenirs, guidebooks, and cultural dance show, which is also known as the Lion Dance Show. So why Macau is an ideal holiday destination for Indian travelers? As I mentioned, it has got city of duality. You get to experience Asian as well as European culture. Visa is absolutely free on arrival. Easy connectivity and lot of options for connectivity. It has got excellent and developing infrastructure. Gastronomy, very family friendly. World-class hotels and integrated resorts. Grandeur and opulence. Lastly, it is very safe for each and everybody traveling to Macau. So these are the contact details of the concerned person. You can definitely write to us. With that, we will be sharing the presentation with all of you all. And if you have any queries, we'll be more than happy to help you. So with this, I end my presentation. I would again thank everybody. Need any clarifications, or if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. Any questions? Or maybe we can run through a quick quiz kind of a thing where I can ask questions and maybe see the lucky winners who gets an opportunity to win Macau goodies, Macau giveaways. Nikita, can we do that?
Yes, definitely. But Divya, you could send us the questions, and I'll put it on Macau booth for them to visit and meet you also, because we had just switched off the Q&A, and hence they will not be able to answer the questions here. So in such a scenario, if you could send the questions, and audience, what you can do is you can visit the booth and answer those questions, and we will pick up a lucky winner from there. Does that sound good?
Yeah. So, like,
Great.
how many questions can we ask? Between 1 to 5, we can ask 2-3 questions. Or
Yes, absolutely. I'll just share that with you offline, Divya, so that we can just upload that. And I would just like to thank you for sharing such an insightful presentation. I would like to tell you that I was already transported to Macau, and I cannot wait for borders to open up so that I can visit Macau. And I hope the audience also found the presentation very useful, and it also refreshed their product knowledge. So thank you once again, Arzan, and thank you, Divya. And we will take the questions offline. Audience, once again, visit the booth in the next 15-20 minutes, and you will have some questions which you can answer. And we'll pick a lucky winner, and tomorrow the lucky winners will be announced. Okay?
okay,
Uh,
sounds good.
Perfect. This is Nikita Raptani signing off. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Thank you for all your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.